Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we are solving another power and exponent equations that look a little tricky at first. But with the right steps, it's become very easy. The question is solve for x. You have to find the value of x given that 2 raised to power x dot 8 raised to power x equals 64. You can see you have different numbers like 2, 8 and 64. First of all, we will check, first thing to check is they can be written in the same base. So we will solve this as 8 raised to power 8 equals 2 raised to power 3 and 64 can be write as 2 raised to power 6. Now we will write this equation in this form: 2 raised to power x into 2 raised to power 3 and 64 can be write as 2 raised to power 6. Now here we apply an important rule. According to that, if we have a raised to power m multiply a raised to power n, this will be equals a raised to power m plus n. So we will apply this identity here. According to that, 2 raised to power x plus 3 equals 2 raised to power 6. Now if the base is same, the power will also same. So we will apply this rule according to that. So in the question you have 8 raised to power x. So we will write here 8 raised to power x and this will be 2 raised to power 3x and 3x. So 2 raised to power x plus 3x is 4x. That equal 2 raised to power 6. Now in the next step, if the base is same, the power will also same. So we have 4x equals 6. It means that x equals 6 by 4. Now we will divide both of them by 2. So x equals 3 by 2. So this will be the answer. Now we verify our answer is right or wrong. For this purpose, we will substitute the value in the left hand side. So 2 raised to power 3x means 3 by 2. Multiply 8 raised to power 3 by 2. Now we will solve this as 2 raised to power 3 by 2 and 8 can be write as 2 raised to power 3 multiply 3 by 2. This will become 9 by 2. So we will solve this as by taking LCM. LCM is 2, so 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 by 2 is 2 raised to power 6. So when we multiply 2 6 times, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 and then 32 multiply 2 is 64. So we get answer equals 64. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another most important Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.